And yes. All right, Jay is off and on his way again, him. Jay Brady on that 880 out of a hot tip. Yeah. Ah, boy, get the job done there this time. Look at it. Uh-huh. But the hammer gonna work on him. Guarantee you. Yeah, boy, don't back out of it now. Don't get kicking on me. We can't play around, guys. If y'all are not there at the starting line when the sled gets back, you might have to go to your truck because you're not going to get your pull today. All right. Kevin Mays got a Super 88 looking good, too. Yeah, some kind of good. Andrew is turning her loose. Yeah, come on, mama. That thing is just a humming and a singing. Yes, sir, Reed. Looking sharp, boy, looking sharp. Uh-oh. Woo, Papa. Yeah. Didn't the hammer work? On another Alba 88. Boy, I tell you what, I thought them things had all died, but it don't look like it. But that one that just ran, I'm gonna tell you right now, it won't none short about him. All right, you got the green light and the green flag. Get the cobwebs out of that thing, boy, and bring on down here. Good like you ought to. Yeah, that thing is just a humming. She ain't humming good as that last one did, though. But he gonna get the job done. Alpha, Row Crop 88. She tighten that. All right, made a mistake. First one I made, though. He ain't doing bad. Everybody's doing one, ain't they? I wonder what's going to happen when I get three. Uh-oh. Listen to that boy. Ain't it something over? Yeah. That's 1066 little song, and looking back. Mr. Jamie is getting it done right here today. Stay in your truck and be ready to go. The distance for Jamie Call was 289.85. 289.85. Not a bad run there. And now we got Mark Whitley, I believe, coming up on an international 1466. And he's going to have his work cut out for him, Steve. But I think he can do it. He rates tough competitor. All right. The winner in that last class was Andrew Bray, 261 feet, .09. Second place went to Kevin Mays, 240.54. Yes, sir. Looking good. Looking good. Pull that TA back, boy. Let us know.